Question number 26. What profession did the Prophet ﷺ take when he grew up?
Business.
Business. Question number 27. Why did Prophet ﷺ succeed in the trade so quickly?
Good behavior.
Due to goodness, truth and good behavior. Question number 20. Why did the Prophet ﷺ wait for his partner in business Abdullah 3 days at one place?
He promised to wait for
He promised to wait for
him.
him. Question number 29. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was my partner in business, but he always kept the matter very clear. Who said this about the Prophet ﷺ? Yes.
Saib, his partner in business.
Sa'ib, his partner in business.